How to fix iPhone volume automatically going up and down. Start by opening the Settings application. From here, you need to scroll down and locate Sounds and Haptics. This section controls most of the audio settings on your device, including ringtones, alerts, and system sounds. Look for the ringtone and alert volume, which is here, the slider. This controls the volume for incoming calls, notifications, and other alert sounds. If the sound you want to change is your ringtone or alert sound, this is where you can adjust it to your desired level. Next, it's a good idea to test the different types of sound your phone produces. Open an app, play a video, or launch a game that has its own sound. While the sound is playing, try adjusting the iPhone's volume buttons to see how it affects different types of audio. This will help you
Your
understand the
phone
difference between the
ringing. Your
ringtoner,
phone.
alert volume, and in app or media volume, since they are managed separately. Often, what seems like a volume issue is simply a matter of which slider or setting is being adjusted. Another common cause of unexpected volume changes involves Bluetooth devices. If your phone is connected to a Bluetooth speaker, headphone, or earbuds, it may automatically adjust the volume based on the last setting used with that device. For instance, if your Bluetooth speaker was set to a high volume and then disconnects, your iPhone may revert its volume to that previous level. To avoid this, check that no Bluetooth devices are actively connected when adjusting your volume settings. If volume issues persist, restarting your iPhone can help resolve random glitches. Simply power off your device, wait for a few seconds, and turn it back on. Additionally, ensuring that your software is up to date can prevent and fix bugs that might be affecting audio. You can go to your settings, into General, and then into the software updates and install any available updates. Follow these steps, and it should help you fix your problem. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.